In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reporting tags in Zoho Books. Reporting tags are a powerful feature that can help you categorize and track different transactions, projects, or any other business activities that you need to monitor separately. These tags provide a flexible way to slice and dice your data for more insightful analysis. Before we dive in, make sure you're signed up and ready to explore Zoho's capabilities. To begin, navigate to the Zoho website, the central hub for their diverse suite of cloud-based software solutions. Here, you will find everything you need to manage your business, all neatly integrated in one place. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button. You might already be familiar with this process if you have a Zoho account. Simply enter your credentials to access the Zoho app suite. After logging in, you'll land on Zoho Home. This page serves as your launchpad, from which you can access any of Zoho's numerous apps. If your goal is to dive straight into financial management, click on the link to Zoho Books. Once inside Zoho Books, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Settings menu. This area hosts a variety of tools and options that allow you to customize your experience and tailor it to fit the unique needs of your business. Within the Settings menu, look for and click on Customization. This section is where you can tweak various elements of your setup in Zoho Books, enhancing the functionality and usability based on your specific requirements. Moving along, it's time to focus on Reporting Tags. Click on the Reporting Tags option, where you'll be able to create, manage, and employ tags as per your business needs. If you need to create a new tag, find the New Tag button. When you click on it, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter details about your new tag. Choose a name that is intuitive and descriptive, as it will make it easier to identify and categorize transactions later on. Once you've filled in the details, proceed by clicking the Create Tag button. Remember, these reporting tags are instrumental for generating insightful reports. By categorizing your transactions strategically, you can better analyze business performance, allocate resources efficiently, and make informed decisions based on accurate data. The flexibility to customize tags means you can tailor this system according to current projects, departments, or any elements crucial to your operations. And that's it for our quick guide on using reporting tags in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you'll harness the power and precision of data tagging, leading to more effective management and analysis within your financial system. Happy tagging!